I'm here today with the Oral-B IO Series 7. I'm going to unbox this so you can, we can see together what's in there. I've already done a couple of Oral-B brushes from the Pro Series 1000, which is the most basic one, to the Genius X, which also has the app, and this one should have the app too, which is cool. Already the box here is a lot more premium than on the previous models. So we're getting into premium territory here. We'll remove that, and then we have the brush right in there. You can already see this is a lot more premium than all of the other base models Oral-B has. But of course it's about the brushing, not as much as like, well, the aesthetics. But I do think you pay a little bit for aesthetics here. This has the cool brush head here. This is a little bit more expensive. I'd seen that on the IO Series 2 as well, which is a little bit of a different brush head than here of this simple one. This is the Genius X, the first model in the series, and this has just the normal Oral-B chute here, which you can put that on. And then here on the Oral-B IO series, it's a little bit of a more intricate design, and I think this is the same one as you get here with the Series 7. Yeah, that's the exact same brush, so you can put that on there. So, and I have this completely blue design, and they put a completely white brush head in there. I don't know why, maybe just a little bit of an oversight, but it doesn't really go with it. You can also buy the new ones in a different color, of course. Then you have your little charging base here, which is pretty cool. And this charging base is also the more premium, because you don't have that insert here with some of the other brushes, but it's a flat one, almost like a wireless charging option. So let's see if we can open this, like wirelessly charging your phone, which also feels a little bit more premium, and you don't have the issue of that additional grime getting in there, which you won't be able to clean. So if you have like a problem cleaning your brushes, then something like this with the premium design is really, really cool. It has a very sturdy base, quite heavy, and then soft lining here, so it just stands there, it's not going anywhere. And then of course the wall outlet, and then you just put that on, and it magnetically attaches to the base. It's very satisfying. And stuff like that, that's what you're paying for with the Series 7. So you don't really need, I think, all that, but it is very cool. Then, you have here like your brush heads in there. An additional brush head, so you get two instead of one. Both are white for some reason. And then a travel case, which is also quite nice. Let's see how that opens up like this. Well, nice lining. It's plastic all the way across, but you can definitely easily take your device with you here. You can put the entire device in there, and I think you can put two brush heads in there with two people, and they won't be touching. So I think that's a very nice way of having a travel case. So this, everything about this is really premium and very easy to use. So right out of the box, it's my best unboxing experience of a toothbrush so far, so that's pretty cool. So let's see if this will turn on right out of the box. Ooh, it has a little display here as well. Very cool. You can select your language, yes, English. White. Let's see what we can. A cool little display. Blue. Oh, you can select which color you have. So it has like a little menu that is guiding me through. Cool. And then you can have your settings here. Daily clean. So it has a display to show you which clean setting you are going to do. and then it will turn on, and you have this little light that will turn on. It should be, there's a built-in timer as well. So in the display it has the timer. So that's pretty cool. This thing is premium on all sides, and it should, well, last you 2 minutes. Oh, it's going round as well, like a little clock. And then it should have the gum protection or overuse. Yeah, so it's blue, green's good, and then red is bad. And then turn that off. And now I have a sad little face because I didn't brush for long enough. So that's pretty cool. I think it should help kids as well learn this a little bit. And then you have the app. I already have the Oral-B app installed. So let's see how easy that is to add it to the app. I don't know if it will let me. Oh, so I have in the app, oh, sorry, I can set additional devices. Let's see. More. So I already had the Genius X connected to this. Not sure where I need to be disconnected. So this is where you can see my current device is disconnected. But I want to add a new device. Okay. Well, it seems I can have only one device connected at a time, which is not really that weird because I just need one device at a time. So let's remove my old system. Yeah, and now I have a button for Connect Now. Let's set that up. Lift it and press the power button. Yep, and then it recognizes it. So now I have my new toothbrush in there. Well, in the Oral-B I/O app, I think it's not great for like reviewers or testers like me because I can have only one device at a time in my app. And then, yes, go ahead. Now I have my new Oral-B IO7 connected. So it's not really that bad. But what you can see in your app is the battery power for your device right on the top there, and you can see the device that you have, and you can start a brushing session, and this is the same for every type of Oral-B. So the app is cool, but you don't get a more premium app with this device than with like the Genius X, for example, which is a lot cheaper than this one. So you pay for the, well, maybe better sensors, additional lights, the screen, all of the additional charging ways, 2 of these brush heads instead of 1, and the more premium brush heads as well. So that's what you pay for. And then having this you can, in the app, you can see how I'm brushing, and it's detecting that. And of course, not really doing it just on top of my mouth, but that is the way that the app works. So it's very easy to connect, like in a couple of seconds. You can have that connected to your app and then start brushing away, but it's really premium. I really like it, and I can see how people will fall in love with this device. So I hope this video has helped you make your choice.